for entertainment purposes only. And if you want true legal advice, contact your own lawyer.
If you pay my fee, I'll take your case.
This is Radio Law Talk. And now, back to the show.
So there's a woman in the Austin, Texas airport that is walking along, and a cart, she claims, runs into the back of her legs while she's walking, and she said she was hit from behind, didn't see it coming. The city of Austin is fully aware of the suit and is claiming they are going to defend rigorously against these allegations, and they are allegations. But remember, the argument's going to be that the city of Austin and their employees at the airport failed to properly train them not to run into people with carts. I'm sure they never trained them. Guys, here's the rule. We don't run people over in the carts. Well, what? What? Oh, okay. All right. So
or it's possible they have a point system.
Yes, they have a point system, too. And the reason is to protect the passengers at airports. I'm sure they didn't tell them that. Look, we're not here to protect the passengers in the airplane.
Yeah, we don't care about them.
We just run them over. Get that stuff to the restaurant as fast as you can. And also, they have a duty to ensure that all employees are adequately trained and with safety requirements, because you got those very, very dangerous carts. But actually, as a personal injury lawyer, I think, to me, that sounds like there's a big issue there. If like a person's just walking and those guys are pushing those carts, and gals that I see, sometimes they're pretty high up, the carts, and they can't see, and they're just going to run right into someone. But who's to say the lady that ran into, the guy's not saying she merged into him?
And
compared to fault.
What was the nature of her injury? How bad
it was a leg. She cut her leg.
Lacerations.
Leg lacerations, stuff like that. Now,
public humiliation.
Yeah.
But here's the deal.
Did she miss her flight?
All of that doesn't matter, because I know what happened.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
I know what happened.
Here we go.
This is the behind-the-scenes thing that Fred gave. There's got to be some music for this. Some sort. I don't know.
Trying to find
But there's got to be
farm
some
music
fun.
again.
Farm music would be good.
No, you don't.
But Fred Penney knows exactly what happened, and it's not come out yet. And this is satire, by the way, so I don't get sued.
I know.
But
I know what I'll play.
Let me tell you. There you go.
Crazy, but Betsy.
There we go. That's a good one. Play it.
Okay.
Okay, sit down, people. Listen. That's why you stay till the third hour, because important stuff like this comes out. What happened is it was filled with Fiji water, and that is a fact. The cart had Fiji water. The one pushing it was the Fiji girl. And the Fiji girl was pushing it because she hasn't been in the limelight in a while, so she said, you know what? I have no publicity going on. Fiji girl pushed the cart of Fiji water into this person to cause injury and get her publicity. That's the behind the scene that I truly think happened.
Well, now the other option is Fiji said to the Fiji girl, look, we haven't had any free pub for a while.
Right.
How about you get us some?
Yes.
What are we paying you for?
We're flying you to Austin. We're going to dress you up as an individual that's pushing a cart around with a little uniform. You can't wear the pretty dress like you did last time.
No.
You're going to wear a uniform that makes you a cart person. Whether that's I don't know what those are. Not making fun of cart people, but that's the deal. It's the cart. And then you just push it right into someone. And then we're going to have a lawsuit. And now we get more publicity for Fiji water. And more important, Fiji girl gets more publicity.
You may be onto something there.
So I think that's it. So let's follow this up. We'll keep going on it. You guys think that the Fiji water lady was the one? Call us at 855 Law Radio and say, yes, it was the Fiji water lady, and we will take a girl, Fiji water girl.
Cuts on the leg. I mean, come on.
Oh, they could have cut her on the bottom. The Fiji water could have fell down and cut her. I don't know.
How much is a couple of cuts on the leg from a lousy water cart? I mean, come on.
Obviously $1 million.
Yeah.
When it's Fiji water lady, it's worth lots.
What's she suing for? How much?
$1 million.
Oh, please. Is she a lawyer?
She probably has a really good lawyer. That's my guess, is because that number's so high.
Well, don't forget her leg could have severed a tendon. She probably can't walk anymore. And the Fiji girl did it on purpose. So we got malice, and then now it's going to go punitive damages.
Oh, yeah, we got malice. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's punitive damage. It's Fiji girl. It's Fiji girl's fault.
Are punitive damages allowed in Texas on personal injury suits?
Well, it is.
If the guy was drunk, maybe.
Oh, I don't know,
Might be a
but
drunk,
I'm telling
drunk
you,
cart driver.
we do have Chip Evans that would probably tell us.
Wait,
but
I think
we should probably get Chip on the line.
we should.
What
but
the heck?
You haven't called us. I think I know why the million.
Why?
Because if it damaged her legs, and she was a typical, there's a song about Texas women, a country song. If that's damaged her physical appearance in some permanent
No,
way,
that's
Star
true.
value is pretty valuable.
That's what I'm saying. Value is value.
I'm on the ladies' side because I'm a plaintiff.
Well,
lawyer.
sure you are.
I'm all for her.
Saw the $1 million suit and you said, where do I sign?
Forget the million. Let's go 2.
Yeah.
It's the Fiji girl. I'm going for her, man. I could get the publicity. All right, let's move on.
Yeah.
Go to the website, radiolawtalk.com. That's radiolawtalk.com.